reception improved a little bit.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Reno Beach to Ripley, New York, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 20 nautical miles north of Fairport Harbor to the islands, moving southeast at 20 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Cleveland. Ashtabula and Erie mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Reno Beach to Ripley, New York until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, and Wyandotte. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Ashland County, Crawford County, Knox County, Marion County, Morrow County, Richland County, Wyandotte County, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall advancing on the warned area. Rainfall amounts of up to 3 inches are expected with the incoming storms. Torrential rainfall rates in excess of 3 inches per hour will easily overwhelm urban areas and drainage systems. Already saturated soil will lead to excessive runoff. Swollen rivers and creeks could quickly rise out of their banks. Additional heavy rain could also lead to landslides in areas of steep terrain. Locations impacted include Upper Sandusky, Sycamore, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges or low water crossings. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, and